My friends, Coach Vigue, hips, 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 then a nice dollop of hamstrings and stretching. Everything else is day 24, 30 days of yoga. Do them in order, or do them whichever order you like, or pick them apart. Do one here, do one there. They all exist on their own. Today's random question, here's what I want you to do. Take your arm out, reach it to the right. What's the closest thing to your hand right now? What's the closest thing? Write it down below. For me, it'd be a bench or air. You can't use air. It has to be a solid. Okay, breathe in the nose, out the nose. Always use control and modify as needed. We're gonna start standing. Wide leg forward fold. Take the feet wide, soften the knees. And we're gonna come on down. Take some deep breaths in the nose, out the nose. Relax your spine, shimmy it out. I like to do a little press up. So I press up, then I release down. You might not be there yet. You can always grab your legs as well. And let's do some slow flop downs. Tuck the chin, rise up. So we're gonna lift. I hope I'm still on camera. Shoulders back and down. Hello. Tuck the chin, dive down. Keep it going. Stack. You're loose, working out kinks. Get that oil can into your tin can body. Tin man body. And up. Powered by the abdominals, powered by the core. Shoulders down. We want tall, we want an open chest, we want open breathing. And again, stacking, stacking, stacking. Such a treat. Blood to the brain. Let it come out. Even add a back bend here, looking up, shoulders back. And one more time with the slow dive. And up. Press into those heels. Back bend. And let's go into the twist. See this hand? It's gonna plant down. Boom. Other arm up. Back and forth. You can bring the forearm down too if you're ready for it. Definitely a little more advanced. Work your way up. Practice, practice. Once more each side. Doing some variations here. Yeah, that's the stuff. All right, right hand down. Hold it here, 3 breaths. Walk this hand across. Ooh, other side. And reach. Massaging the sides. You want rotational flexibility, balance, and strength. I'm assuming that's what you want. That's why you're here, right? We come to these classes because we want to improve. I love working with people, especially in this business, because everybody comes, they want to improve, they want to expand. I love that. Okay, sumo squat. Take the feet on a diagonal. Hands on the thighs. Use those hands to open the hips. Feel that? Yeah. Tailbone is down. My shoulders are going to rise up a little bit into a half shrug, going, I'm not sure. You can also press it down. You want to fight against that. Work the arms more. Keep the posture strong. Sway side to side. I guess we'll call this the sumo sway, right? Sumo sway. Diagonal with the feet. And I should put sunscreen on my feet also, but feeling very rebellious today. No sunscreen on the feet. All right, the sumo twist. Now, press into this leg, drop this shoulder, twist. Do it a few times and the rhythm will come to you. The movement, inhale, exhale. So we're still sinking down through the tailbone as we twist, as we work the hips, the glutes, the back. A lot packed into this short flow, always condensing, but we stay focused and we get so many great things that happen. All right, stand up, a little shake out. Whole lot of shaking going on. We're gonna dive down. Wide-legged forward fold, side to side. Grab the opposite arm, back and forth. Take the feet wider if you can. Where am I going? All right, release. Come back up into Sumo stance once again, yawping stance. We're gonna do a side to side. What does that mean? Actually, side bend. So hand here or forearm, up and over. Keep the integrity of the Sumo squat. You're really working the glutes. The glutes will burn, so will the quads. And maybe other areas too. I like that body weight. Think about that. 24/7, we have this body. Well, you don't have mine, I have mine, but you have yours. So every moment of the day is an opportunity to do something positive for it, whether it's a stretch or a workout or a walk or what you eat or a simple little postural adjustment you can do with the shoulders throughout the day. Ooh, that's good. Okay, now, one more time. Is it burning? Yeah? Oh, I heard that. Ooh, she said something really bad. I won't repeat that. Ooh. Sounds like drat? No. Okay, shake out the arms and the legs. Hey, Garland. So we have Sumo squat. We're just gonna keep going down in a burning ring of hip fire. So hands here, forearms, or bring the palms together. My sister ran a half marathon in Florida yesterday, and afterwards she went into this pose. I had to help. I had to help her get up, but she told me, she goes, "Stay in the area, Sean. I might need help getting out of this." But use those elbows, open the hips. Great for opening the hips, getting blood flow, stretching the glutes. Also a nice knee and tendons and ligaments. You want to make sure those are elastic, that you work those, that they are moving. Sinking down, shoulders back and down. You can also open here. 3 more breaths. Living large, my friends. We have this opportunity. I have it, you have it, to do these flows. Take the opportunity, do it. The more you put it off, the more you don't do it, your body sinks down without the mobility training, the flexibility training. No matter which age you are. I've been very blessed to have so much success teaching these kinds of classes, whether it's in video, books, live classes, blogs, articles, whatever it is. Very blessed to work in a field like this that benefits pretty much the whole population. All right, straddle stretch, finish it off. Bend the knees to modify. I was watching TV like this last night. We're gonna take it side to side. Loose as a goose, loose in the sides. Draw the toes towards you. Okay. And one pure sign I wasn't stretching enough. About a month ago, twice in a couple weeks, I got calf cramps. I had never gotten those before at night. One woke me up, the other was kind of awake. And so I'm like, Sean, you got to get back to the mobility training. I had taken, I've been doing a little bit here and there, but now we're back. It feels great. All right, hand slides, walking forward. Inhale up. Take it at your own speed. Go as far as you wish. Your body will let you know. Shoulders back. Leaf off the mat. Stacking that spine again. Get to know your spine, how it stacks, how it moves, how it decompresses. All right. Well, that's what's going to happen. I'm going to bring that trash onto my mat. And bring up. That feels so good. Nice combination of core strength, flexibility training, mobility training, balance and control. Bring it down, hold it here, a few breaths, swaying back and forth, no matter where you are. Keep those negative words out of your head. I know it's tough, but one negative word poisons the whole operation. Got to retrain how you think a lot. Focus on good words, positive words. The body goes the way of the mind and vice versa. Bring it up, bring it up. Lace the fingers behind you open into a mudra, or you could have the cactus arms. I'll give you those two options. Brilliant work, my friends. Another day, another fantastic moment we can have together. Make sure you invite your friends to do these flows. Do them in order, do them out of order. Just make sure you do them whenever you wish. All body weight all the time. Today's random question is, let's do it again. Take your right arm out, reach to the right. What's the closest thing to your hand? I apologize if you knocked a lamp or a clock or a cat off a table right there. Let us know below. What is the closest? Fantastic. All right, shake it out. Brilliant work, my friends. As I said, invite friends and family to join you. If this helped, click that like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell up there to never, ever miss a workout. And I look forward to seeing you each and every day, and especially tomorrow. I sound like the Truman Show, don't I? Yes. Yes, I do. You talking to me?